Okay, y'all. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna be doing Ashely Stewart try-on haul. And yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all different pieces from Ashely Stewart. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Comment down below video ideas that y'all want me to do, and let's get straight into the video. So this is the first piece, and this piece is $59.50, and it's just a little dress with a little things on the side, and yeah. So yeah, this is that. Be right back with the next piece. Also, I rate this a 7 out of 10. 7.5 out of 10. 7.5 out of 10. Be back with the next piece. Okay, y'all, I'm back with the next piece, and it is this shirt right here. And it says, it's giving boss, baby, because it's giving boss. Don't ever try to play me like I'm average. Okay, so yeah, back to the, So yeah, that's what this is right here. Um, this shirt was originally $39.50, but it was on sale for $8. So that's the thing about Ashely Stewart. They have like a lot of sales and stuff. So like getting to it for my big girls, Ashely Stewart. I'm gonna rate this. It's just a little t-shirt, so I'm gonna give it 10 out of 10. Cute, throw it on with dress pants and some jeans. Out of there. Next piece. All right, this is the next piece. It says fashionista, up and down. It's long, comfortable, stretchy. I'm not suffocated. Um, and so yeah. So this originally was $29.50. I got it for $10 on clearance. So yeah, I'm gonna rate it 10 out of 10. I like it. I like colors, so it's nice and colorful. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna rate it. Next piece. Okay, this is the next piece. It's just this little shirt. Nice, cute, flowy. I don't really like tight clothes. I do when it comes to my pants, but when it comes to my shirts, not really a tight girl. So this is cute. I'm pretty sure if you want it tighter, you can get in the smaller size and be a little tighter. I like the orange. I really love the aesthetic of how you can tie this into different ways, however you want it. I like mine like bow form. Let's fix that. Okay. I like mine kind of bow form like that. It's just cute to me. Or you can just have it like that, if that's how just different ways. You can not tie it at all and just have it like that. It doesn't mess up the top of the shirt, the aesthetic or anything. It's just like that. So yes, different ways to wear this shirt. I like it. It's kind of long in the back. I like it. And I will rate this shirt a 8 out of 10. Next piece. And this next one is a dress. Dang, it's not long. This next one is a dress. And I like it. It does give body. So I like it. You can pull it like that where it's not so much out. But then you can also pull it a little afternoon gown after 5. Give it a little more for the gals. So yeah. So so this I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 because it's given for the gals. So yeah, I like this. I'll get y'all the prices in just a second. It's getting for the girls. Okay, let me get y'all the price quick. The price on this one is $64.50. Next piece then. Okay, so this next piece is this jean jacket. It says "Live, Love, Laugh." It's pretty cute. It's pretty cute. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 because it's just cute. I'm gonna tell y'all the price in the second game. This was $59.50. This next outfit is a tracksuit. Says Diva. And I like it because it's stretchy, it's comfortable. Okay, so it's comfortable, it's stretchy. I like it. I like the material a lot. It's not like too hot, it's not too cold either. So I like that about it. And I like the fact that it's just comfortable. So I'm gonna give this a 8.5 out of 10. And I don't have the price on this one. So yeah. Next item, guys. Next item is this trench coat jacket. It's about kneeling. I like this. It's actually my favorite jacket. So yeah. I rate this at 10 out of 10 because I just love this jacket. It's just so cute. And so yeah. So let's get into the next piece. I actually don't have the price on this one either. I'll try to put them down below, the ones I didn't have the price on. Let's get into the next item. Okay, everything else in this segment is pants and skirts. So this is a skirt. I like it. It's giving ballerina. Okay, so I'm gonna give this skirt a 7 out of 10. So yeah, let's get into the next piece, guys. I don't have the price on this one either. Well, let me check. Actually do have the price on this one. This one is $49.50. Okay. These jeans were $69.50, but they were 60% off. And I like these. And it has the rips in the front. I like these. So yeah, next piece, guys. Okay, so these are the next pair of jeans. They have the pearls down the sides. I rate these a 10 out of 10 because they're cute. They're comfortable, they're stretchy. So yeah, that's how I rate these. So these are like black pants. These are cute too. They're not so stretchy, but yeah. So I rate these a 7.5 just because of the fact that they're not stretchy like the jeans, like kind of. So yeah. Okay, so these are the next pair of jeans. They just have like the paint, the ribs, they're gray and black. And yeah. And yeah, I'm gonna rate these 10 out of 10 because they're cute. Next pair. Okay, these are some lower curl pants with the pearls on it. They have just the two holes. I'm gonna rate these a 9.5 out of 10. So yeah, let's get into the last piece. Last are my favorite, these leather back stretch pants. It's giving body to the girls. It's giving body to the girls. It's giving body to the girls. These are mine. These, I'm giving these a 1,000 out of 10. These are my favorite. So yeah, these were $54.50, but they were on sale. I don't remember how much, but yeah, I want to say $15. I'm gonna say. So yeah, these are giving body to the girls. So yeah, bye y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos. Comment down below video ideas that y'all want to see me do. See y'all in the next video. Bye.